Evening, welcome to the Barrel House. I am super excited about this one. Look for the short that's out. You just saw a hand over there. I've got a camera shy buddy that is going to help with the blind that we're about to do. So I just nailed down a 1792 12-year bourbon. This is a ghost. I got one when I first started. I was just starting to collect and found stuff 5 years ago probably. And I just found another one, so I decided to open it because I've never ever seen one. So I'm like, I'm just gonna sit on this, do a special occasion someday. Then they just had a drop, and I got a hold of one. I had a couple buddies that tried to get them and got unlucky, and I got lucky. So lucky in bourbon. So we're gonna do 1792 12-year, Knob Creek 12-year, and Weller 12-year. Now, okay, everybody loves Weller. Knob Creek 12 is amazing. And this one, I did a short, check out the short. I took a little sip of it. It is incredible. I didn't go into what I taste. And we're gonna get right into it. So these have been mixed. He's mixed his. He doesn't know what he's got. I don't know what I have. We're just gonna try everything. We're gonna talk, I'll talk about it. He's gonna agree, but we could be trying different things. So we're just gonna go with it. And then we're gonna pick third place, second place, first place. For each of us, we'll do third place, show what it is, and see if we're the same or not the same. So here we go. My thoughts are right now, Weller 12-year kicks butt, and Knob Creek is really good, and this one I'm super excited about, so I have no idea where this is gonna go. So look for a future video where I'm doing some really top-end foolproofs against each other blind. That will be coming. So here we go. So I'm just gonna start, I'm gonna go left to right. So, and I will kind of keep my hand here so when I tip it, you guys can't see what it is. So, and I'm doing like, we're doing these little mini wheat cairns. I hope you like those. It's just easier than dirtying these big glasses and trying to get little pours so we can do more videos and more drinking because I'm doing several videos right now. That has an amazing nose. I'm getting, that is like kind of a really candied chocolate almost, oak, and wow, almost butterscotch vanilla. That is really, wow, that is so smooth. That just starts smooth, amazing through. It's got this definitely like a dark chocolate flavor to it. And maybe a slight, I wouldn't say vanilla, good oak flavor and smooth at the finish. And all these are going to be oaky because they're 12 years. And I do need to do a little rinse. He's over there trying his. I think he's already done with his second one. Okay, we're going to go to the middle and put my those glasses. My label's still there. Yeah, sorry. Oh, wow. Now that's definitely a little different. I'm getting a little bit more heat on the nose. Yeah, I'm getting actually a lot of heat compared to the first one on the nose. Smooth though. Definitely oak again, very smooth. Got a nice sweetness to it. I honestly think this is the Weller. So that's where I'm going with this one. Because Weller 12-year is hard to get. It's really good, but there's a lot of better bourbon out there. There's a reason this doesn't have a cork on it. It was originally just an inexpensive 12-year. It's solid, but I think the other two are better. I'm thinking this might be the Weller. But I will let you know in a second. But yeah, it's a little tiny bit hotter. A little bit of sweet corn, maybe a kettle corn going on. I'm not getting as much oak distinction as I am in the first one. Are you getting some good separation on yours over there?
First two I didn't. That one I did. That's super oaky compared to everything else I just had, so I'm curious.
Oh, this one's got a vanilla cream, light oak, maybe a slight cinnamon. Oh, wow. Yeah, the middle one is my third place already, and I'm gonna roll back through again real quick and take a couple sips. So that one, also slight heat to it. Oaky, not as oaky as the first one. There's a little bit of like a vanilla cream there. I'm getting a slight heat. It's very delicious. It's a little bit, it's like, this is oaky, but a smooth oak. Just a good, this is almost like a slight char to it. Well, I'm pointing at this because I think it's the Knob Creek 12. But this one has a little bit of a char to it. So I'm gonna run back down the line. I'm gonna go what I'm pretty much picking at third place right now. I gotta have a little bit more water, but yeah, there's a little bit of sweetness there, heat, got some corn, caramel corn. It's solid. It's a little bit lighter oak. It's good. They're all good. I mean, they're all really good. Now I'm gonna go what I think is second place. That's oakier, a little smoother. It's got a little oak at the end, maybe a slight caramel. I'm getting like a vanilla caramel, slight campfire to it. Really like that one. Now I'm gonna go back. This one's really good. It's between these two. These are all delicious. You can't go wrong. Get any of these. This one is out in the market. It just got dumped. It's like out there right now. So look for it. Ask your liquor stores if you can find one of these. Yeah. Man, I mean, they're close.
My top two are really close as well.
This one's just got a nice oak vanilla. There's like it's just got this earthy chocolatey cocoa maybe going on. So, okay. I'm gonna go with my third place, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one and make sure.
Go ahead. I'm saving some so I can taste it with you guys.
No, I'm done. They're all gone. So, third place. This is my third place. What's your third place?
This guy.
Okay, my third place is, and I need my glasses. Oh, look. That's all right. Put on my readers. Third place is, whoa, 1792 12 year. Holy cow, I would have never guessed that. Wow. Okay.
Mine was Knob 12.
Yours was Knob 12 was
Yeah.
third place?
Yeah.
Okay. So his Knob 12 was third place. Mine was 1792, which blows me away. I mean, it was good, but it didn't do a lot compared to the other two. But there's no right or wrong here. They're all fantastic. This is my second place. Second place is Weller 12. So Knob Creek 12 was your third place for you.
Yep. 1792 is my number two.
Is your number two. Mm-hmm. Wow. That means my winner is Knob Creek 12.
And mine was Weller 12.
So he picked Weller 12 as first place. I picked it as second place. He picked Knob Creek as third place. Mm-hmm. I picked it as first place. And he has 1792 in second.
Yeah.
But to me, clearly 1792 was my third place. I can't believe I picked Weller 12. I thought this was Weller 12. So there you go. I just bagged Weller 12, and Weller 12 was my winner. But there is no winner or loser here because they are all absolutely amazing. And if I were to pour this again, switch them around and do it again, I'd probably pick a different winner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, leave a comment. Look for more comparison videos I'm going to do with some good hot rods. I'm also going to be doing 1792 12 year, 1792 bottle and bond, and 1792 full proof. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do that and sweet wheat. Sorry, I'm not going to do it blind, but I'm going to talk about the 1792 series. It's one of my favorites. It's Barton Distilling, which Cesarec just bought. So look for 1792s if you can find them. This is fantastic. I'm almost disappointed that I picked it third. But it was awesome all the way. I really thought it was Weller 12, and I love Weller 12. It was really good, But surprisingly, the Weller 12 to me seemed oakier than the other ones.
When we get done,
So-
taste mine.
and
See
the-
if it tastes different.
And the Knob Creek 12 is, holy cow. I mean, Knob Creek 12 is probably the best 12-year bourbon out there. Well, obviously, at least for me. What do you got?
They're in order. So that's my Weller.
Okay, Weller. I mean, yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, and then 92.
1792.
And then Knob.
So the 1792 has a little bit. It's got a distinct finish, cinnamon chocolate, and I love it. And I'm trying it now, and I mean, I love it. I love it. I think I got fooled a little bit, but
Could have been how we tasted it.
yeah, it could be just the first one you tried, but you fell in love with. So there's that. Because now I'm trying.
It's 12.
Now I'm trying his Knob Creek 12, and I like the 1792 better. So there you go. Like I said, I could reline this up. They're so close. They're all amazing. One a shelf, one in a glass. I will see you soon. And cheers, everybody.